Excuse me. Hi.
Hi.
Hold that.
Hold that.
What happened 55 years ago?
What was the number again?
Oh, the design of the meatball logo. Is that it? Or was that 65 years ago? Dang it.
What happened 55 years ago?
55 years and 1 day ago was the meatball logo.
Nope. What happened 55 years ago?
I don't know.
Nope.
I wasn't there.
What happened 55 years ago?
I don't know what today is.
Bye.
What's that?
That's a microphone. What happened 55 years ago?
I don't know what happened 55. Was it the we first landed on the moon?
Close.
The end of 56.
55 years ago, man took the first steps on the moon.
Close.
Oh.
Real close.
1969.
What happened 55 years ago?
We flew around the moon.
Close.
I think I know.
What happened 55 years ago?
Wait. NASA became a thing?
Nope.
No. Crap. I know
Wrong.
this. I know this.
Wrong.
I thought the meatball was 65 years old. This is the wrong question.
Here, hold this.
Hey.
What happened 55 years ago?
I was not born.
Wrong answer. What happened 55 years ago? Yep. What happened 55 years ago?
I have no idea.
All right.
I'm not sure.
Okay.
What happened 55 years ago?
I don't know. What happened, Chuck?
Wrong answer.
I don't know.
Wrong answer. Sam. No Googling. No Google. Sam. What happened 55 years ago, Sam?
Something with Buzz Aldrin.
Wrong answer.
Oh, I know.
Hold
It's
that.
just up to you.
What happened 55 years ago?
Online, or you could
I was not alive, so I don't
when
know.
you get here.
I don't know either.
What happened 55 years ago? Wrong. Hey, could you hold this for a second?
Sure.
What happened 55 years ago today?
I'm not sure.
Wrong answer.
Don't ask me.
Hold this.
They cheated.
Hold
They
this.
told me the answer.
They told you the answer.
They told me the answer.
Hold this. What happened 55 years ago?
I have no idea.
Hey, Mike.
Yes.
What happened 55 years ago?
They were on their way to the moon, Apollo 11.
Hey, you got it. So as you've gathered by now, Apollo 11 launched 55 years ago today, and we have a lot of Apollo artifacts, so please come check them out. Come see us.